Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972 prohibits gender-based discrimination in education programs or activities that receive federal funding, including university athletic programs. In Boucher v. Syracuse University, we'll see whether students could raise a Title IX claim after their university addressed inequality in the school's varsity athletic teams. In 1995, over 50% of Syracuse University's student population was female. However, only 32% of Syracuse's student athletes were women. Even fewer female students were varsity athletes, because only 217 out of 681 total varsity student athletes were women. In May of 1995, club lacrosse player Jennifer Boucher, other female lacrosse club athletes, and one female club softball athlete sued the university. The students argued that Syracuse violated Title IX by discriminating against female athletes through its allocation of participation opportunities, which included determining which sports teams should become varsity teams and determining how many opportunities female varsity athletes had to participate in sports. Just before the students filed their suit, Syracuse announced that it would add a women's varsity lacrosse team in 1997. Later, during the course of the lawsuit, Syracuse also agreed to add a women's varsity softball team in 1999. Because Syracuse planned to add multiple women's varsity teams, Syracuse argued that the students' complaint was moot. Syracuse moved for summary judgment. In response, the students moved to amend their complaint to add a claim for damages, but the district court denied their motion. The district court granted summary judgment in favor of Syracuse. The court also failed to certify a class for current and future students that were interested in playing women's varsity softball. The students appealed,